The paper boat. One sunny day, a little boy made a paper boat. He folded the paper carefully and smiled when it was done. He walked to a small stream near his house and gently placed the boat on the water. At first, the boat floated and moved with water. The boy laughed with joy, but soon the boat got wet, tipped over, and sank. The boy felt a little sad, but then he smiled again. At least I tried, he said proudly. Moral of the story: it's not always about winning. Trying your best is the most important thing of all.